The first one is concrete. So in that grades of concrete, according to IS 456 2000 clause 6.1, you refer the code book. It is clearly mentioned in that IS 456 2000 code book. You have to refer clause number 6.1. This is given in that code book. So the selection of minimum grade of concrete is designated by durability of consideration. That is, durability factor has mainly considered for the grade of concrete has to be decided. So consideration which are based on the kind of environment to which structure is exposed through the minimum grade of concrete. Reinforced concrete structures is specified as M20 under the mild exposure condition. It is adversely to adopt the high grade under the more adverse environmental exposure condition. High grade of concrete are recorded. For moderate, severe, very severe and the extreme exposure conditions. So these are the condition is given in that code book, and these are the grades of concrete is prescribed in that code book, that is M25, M30, M35 and M40. M means mix, 25 means the characteristic strength after the 20 days of curing period. So if you tested a cube for that particular grade, so you have to test after 20 days of curing period. So M25 means 25, that grade strength, characteristic strength of the concrete, that is 25. M means mix respectively. In some of the specific applications, the grade of concrete is preliminary selected on the basis of strength rather than durability. Examples: building and reactors as soon as and so on. So this is a table which is given 1.1. So grade of concrete as per the IS 456 2000 clause 6.1. So this is given groups, that is ordinary concrete. The grade designation coming under the ordinary concrete are M10, M15, M20. Means M means mix, 10 means the characteristic strength. It is given in the third column. Characteristics compressive strength. If you casted 150 mm cube, 150 mm by 150 mm, 150 mm, a cube which is casted in a and tested in compression testing machine after 20 days of curing period. So whatever the values which is given in terms of Newton per mm square, whatever the strength which is produced after that crushing in that compression testing machine. So if it is M10, it should be 10 Newton per mm square, the characteristic strength after the 20 days of curing period. Similarly, M15, it should be 15 Newton per mm square. M20, it is 20 Newton per mm square. So almost 100% strength should be produced after 28 days with respect to the grade of designation. So these are the three grades of designation which is coming under ordinary concrete. The second one is standard concrete. In standard concrete, which comes under M25, M30, M35, M40, M45, M50 and M55. So up to M55, which is coming under the standard concrete. So similarly, M25 is 25 Newton per mm square, M30 is 30, M35 is 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 respectively strength with respect to the grade of concrete. So last one is high strength concrete. So what is high strength concrete? So after the M60 to M80, which is considered as high strength concrete. So this is the third row, which is column which is given the characteristic strength. So 60, 65, 70, 75, 80 with respect to the grade of designation. So this is about the concrete.